Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger requirements. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger requirements, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about messenger app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that we click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause a lot of problems or issues on your phone. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.